Hi everyone. Today in this video, we're going to look at the colleges which you can apply to using your NMAT score. And for doing that, I'm going to take you through all the colleges and let you know which are those 5 colleges that you can apply while you're filling up the NMAT form. So first and foremost, when you are filling up the NMAT form, you will see this section where you can choose 5 colleges for free. And there are about 68 colleges which are available, which you can fill up here and choose and fill up here. So we're going to look at all these colleges which are available and have an understanding of what you can apply for and what are these colleges all about. So if you go to the NMAT by GMAT page, which is the test.nmat.org page, on this page, when you enter this page itself, you will see a scroller here and you'll see a lot of colleges listed here. And when you click on the view all schools, you can see all the schools together and the colleges which are taking the NMAT score this year. You go there and you can start looking at the colleges, try to choose the colleges based on the reputation, their years of existence, placement scenario, and the type of program. Because if you choose the wrong type of program, then you may not even be eligible for that program. So I'll show you some of those programs. So don't just go by the name. Also have a look at the placement scenario. A lot of colleges which have not mentioned their placements may not have been having a good placement for the last few years. So check that out before you apply to these colleges. So when you go to the page, you will see that, on the top under the Indian colleges, you will see Narsee Monjee as the first college mentioned there. And then you have KJ Somaiya. I marked both of them in blocks because I'm going to pick both these colleges because these are good colleges to apply for. And NMAT is conducted by Narsee Monjee. So the first choice that you are going to put up there is definitely Narsee Monjee only. Now, Narsee Monjee's Mumbai campus is the best campus and followed by the Bangalore campus and the Navi Mumbai campus. So you can accordingly pick up the campuses while you're filling up the Narsee Monjee form. But when you're filling up the NMAT form, you just have to pick up Narsee Monjee as the only option there. If you pick that up, you will be able to apply for all the other colleges as well. Okay. Now, apart from Narsee Monjee, among this list of colleges, the second college that I'm going to pick up is KJ Somaiya. KJ Somaiya is a very good college, although it doesn't come in the tier 1, but in the tier 2, it's a reasonably good college to look forward to with an average salary of 10 plus. And it's been there for long and it's very well known in the Bombay region. And it's also a sought after college with very good peer group that you will get within the college itself. So it's a good B school to actually pick up. And these are the two that I'll pick up from the entire list of universities which are put up here. Now you'll see that the other list of B schools which are put up here is the ISB, the SPJIMR, SDA Bocconi Asia Center, and the Xavier's University. ISB, if you click on that link, you will see that they are not taking the NMAT score for their flagship program. They are taking it for the Advanced Management Program in Business Analytics. Now, this program is not a full-time program. It is a certificate program where you will be attending few classes in ISB. Rest of all the classes are going to be on the remote mode. So this is not a very sought after kind of a program, or this is not even the flagship program of ISB. So don't get carried away. You can give it a skip because this also says it's for mid-career professionals with 2 to 15 years of experience. So it's an open program. It's more like a e-learning kind of a program that's on offer. Now, if you go and read about this program in their FAQs, it's very clearly mentioned the total number of days at ISB campus, so the duration of the program will be approximately 18 working days. So this is the number of days that you're going to spend in ISB. So this is not their flagship program, as I mentioned before. So I'm going to skip ISB, go to SPJIMR. Now, SPJIMR, this particular program is the postgraduate management program for women. So it's not, so a lot of people ask me, sir, why have you not chosen SPJIN? So SPJIN's flagship program, which is the 2-year PGDM program, is not taking the NMAT score. Okay, it's for this postgraduate management program for women. And if you can see, these are for those people who have had a break in their career. So it's saying exclusively for women who have taken a career break and now seek to return to a corporate role. So this also is not a very sought after program. So I would not suggest you to even pick this up as one of the choice unless and until you have a very good reason to do so. Apart from these two, the other college which is there is SDA Bocconi Asia Center. Now, SDA Bocconi Asia Center has been there for a long time now, and they have a very decent placement. And their average salary put them on their website goes at about 11.43 lakhs per annum. So this is one of the colleges that you can shortlist to, and because of which I put SDA Bocconi also in my list. And the last one which is mentioned there is XUB, Now, XUB only takes the NMAT score for their HR program and the rural management program. For the HR program, we will pick this up because for people who are looking for an MBA in HR, XUB's HR program is a really good program, and it comes in figures in the top 10 colleges which offer HR specialization. So it's a good college to bank upon. So I would suggest you to pick up this if you're interested in HR. So the 4 colleges from this list that I'm picking up is Narsee Monjee Mumbai, XUB's MBA HR, KJ Somaiya, and SDA Bocconi. Apart from this, if I move ahead, out of all these colleges which I mentioned there, IBS, SOIL, Masters Union, Chitkara, IMET, and Athena, IBS also conduct an examination called as IBSAT. Now, IBS is a part of the ICFI Business School, so among the 5 colleges, I will not put IBS there. But if you want to apply for IBS, you can probably pick it up. You can also write the IBSAT examination later on. Average salary of IBS goes at about 6.5 to 7 lakhs on an average. So I'm not going to pick that up. I'm going to look at SOIL, Institute of Management. SOIL again has been there for about 10 years now, and it's a old college. And if you actually go into the college, you'll see that there's a PGPM BL program, PGPM HR program, and the PGDM program, which is available. If you get into the website, you will see that, in the PGDM program, it's a 2-year MBA program. If you see that they have not mentioned NMAT here, by looking at this, I guess that, they are not taking the NMAT for this particular program, but it is mentioned in both these programs. So if you're applying for the PGPM HR or the PGPM BL, you can choose SOIL as one of the colleges. And if you're choosing PGDM, please check with the college whether they are using the NMAT score this year for selection criteria. But this college has got a decent average salary. So if you see, it touches about 10 lakhs. So this is one of the colleges that I'm going to pick up. So I have SOIL out there. So I have now Narsee Monjee Mumbai, XUB MBA HR, KJ Somaiya, SDA Bocconi, and SOIL. Apart from this, when I move ahead, I have got IILM, Myra, School of Petroleum Management. You have Jain University, Alliance University, and then you have IFMR Kriya. So I'm going to pick this up because IFMR Kriya is again a good college. Been there for long now, and average salaries goes at about 10 lakhs, and it's a nice college. It's in South India and in Sri City. So it's a college that you can pick up. So I'm going to pick up IFMR also to this list. Now, apart from these, all the other colleges which are there in this list, even if you don't apply through the NMAT, you'll be able to get through them because these are not very big names, and these aren't also great colleges to look forward to. So they'll lure you with a lot of different kind of MBA programs, but I would not be picking any of these kind of colleges in the list. So my final list for NMAT's colleges is NMIMS Mumbai, XUB MBA HR. We have KJ Somaiya, IFMR, and SDA Bocconi. If you want, you can also put there SOIL, which has got an HR program and a BL program. So if you're interested in HR and you want to keep that option open, you can probably pick that up too. Last year's cutoff for Narsee Monjee Mumbai went at about 235. The Narsee Monjee's Bangalore campus went at about 225. XUB goes at about typically goes about 10 marks less than the Mumbai cutoff. KJ Somaiya can be expected at about 220, along with IFMR at 220. SDA Bocconi may go lower. Okay, so you have all kind of colleges here, and NMIMS Mumbai being aspirational, XUB aspirational for people who are looking at HR, and KJ Somaiya and IFMR are realistic college, and SDA Bocconi and SOIL as a safe bet for you. If you have any other doubt regarding any of the other programs mentioned out there, and you want to actually explore any other college and you're not sure about it, please put the details in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you out with selecting those colleges. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe.